tayo magbago. Kailanman, nasaan man, ito ang pangarap ko. Makuha mo ba kaya ako'y hakan at yakapin?
As early as my fourth year high school days, where we were together in one section. And during that time, something I have felt for her, that I was consistently looking for her, if possible, every day. It's not so seriously thought about, but I was beginning a part of my life during my bachelor days that I had fallen for her.
Pagdating ng araw, ang iyong
Well,
ay puputi.
I don't even know why I am going to get married. I still believe in destiny for those long years that we have not met. And all of a sudden, it came. So I thought this may be the destiny that God has given me.
Ipapaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako na
Unforgettable experience when I met him after years, after high school graduation, up to the time when we have started teaching for 10 years.
Kung minsan kasi siguro, kung love mo yung tao, maski anong oras pwede gusto mong puntahan, pupuntahan mo eh. So, from Quezon City, I called my cousin and said, you accompany me to Baguio. And said, bakit? Hindi, meron daw piyesta sa Baguio na pupuntahan natin. But ang purpose ko talaga, puntahan sila sa training camp ng Girl Scout. So I went there and saw her. Kasi yung ba talaga kung gusto mo yung tao, parang naka-ex-house mo lahat ng mga masayang-masaya ka. Even just to see her.